This truly feels like home for all of us.
The unity here is unlike anywhere else.
Shukran UAE.
Shukran UAE.
Shukran UAE.
Shukran UAE.
My friend, look at this cashmere. Pure quality, very soft.
It is beautiful. Do you have it in blue?
Palm trees whisper where the desert begins. Golden sands hold stories within. From mountain peaks to the endless sea, a land of dreams, a place to be free. One heart, one sky, together we rise. Under the flag where our spirits unite. From every voice, every hand, every side, we stand as one in the UAE.
I've analyzed the molecular structure. I think we have a breakthrough.
What did you find?
Means that dance with the rhythm of time, soaks alive with a melody divine. Lanterns glowing, guiding the way. A nation shining brighter each day.
Look up there, that's the traditional architecture I was telling you about.
It's stunning. I can't believe how well preserved it is.
It really is beautiful, isn't it?
One heart, one sky, together we rise. Under the flag where our spirits unite. From every voice, every hand, every side, we stand as one in the UAE's
Look, Mama, look. We are flying the flag.
They are doing great, aren't they? So much energy.
Falcon soaring in the morning glow, pearls that sparkle in the water spirit. The moon bows to a nation so proud. We are the whispers of every vow.
It truly is a stunning blend of architecture and art. The design represents his vision for the future.
It's absolutely breathtaking. I've never seen anything like it.